All right, Seda. So what does all this mean to you?
It just means that when God gives somebody a vision and they take their vision and bless somebody, knowing that we were in need of a garden, it just makes me feel blessed that we don't have to worry about where the next meal is coming from or where the next anything's coming from, because God put a vision on your heart and your first thought was to bless me. So I'm going to pay it forward.
Okay.
And I would like to nominate April and Tomas, because they do so much for Woga and Woga. April's a stay-at-home mom, some amazing baby, and I just think this garden would help her not have to worry so much about grocery when they can garden and things right from their own backyard.
Yep.
And God put it on my mom's heart to donate $40 to get stuff for their garden. So here you go, and my nomination is April and Tomas.
All right.
Love you guys.
All right, here we go. We're heading to drop off our next garden box. I got the whole family with us. We're gonna go bless this family.
What about me?
Yeah, man, you're gonna go help too. That's my worker, man. We're gonna go and put it all together. We got the box. We got the plants, the soil. Yep, got everything we need. Now we're gonna deliver it and drop it all off. Hope it blesses them. Yeah, and maintain our 6-foot rule.
The Gamez family. This is our neighbors, Mr. Mike and Ms. Betty. I think having a garden is important. I think it keeps you, it shows you life, and it shows you how, if you treat something right and if you take care of it, what it's going to bring. And I think that it's a good way to practice it here and then apply it to your life.
It inspires me because it brings us closer.
True, that's good.
And you know, it during this crisis that we're having, it gives us something to look forward to. When we get up in the morning, you know, hey, we have the garden to look at.
Right.
See how much it's grown. You know, so you know, it's just very, and you know, it's like God is blessing us.
The way we were actually able to make this happen was we had people donate money to just the vision that the Lord gave me on being able to provide these for people. And I didn't really know who to start with, and I started with one that was, turns out they were praying for a garden and I never knew it. And then she nominated you guys, and I didn't know that you guys were praying for a garden too. I was, you know, so to keep it going, who would you like to bless and nominate with a garden ready to go, to have a garden experience?
I want to bless with Mary Book.
Mary Book has always been, she always notices people that need it, and she's always ready to pray, and she's always ready to encourage people. And I think during this time, I think you'll give her something to do and something to look forward to, and I know she would enjoy it. I mean, she loves stuff like this. She's an amazing mom to a lot of people.